Hi, I'm Jeanette Larsen with Growth Unlimited, and I'm your host for this presentation. Today we're going to be talking about time management. Master your time and control your mind. You know, time management is the key to success in all areas of life. Most people don't understand it, however, and they tend to just kind of try to get through the moment. That's not the most effective way to take control of your life. If you're constantly putting out fires and dealing with things that happen in the moment, it stops you from making the plans that you need to make to move ahead, to take control of your life and have life your way. So, we're going to talk in this video about the different things that are involved in how you can use time management to help control your life. First of all, what is time management? According to Cambridge Dictionary, time management is the practice of using the time that you have in a useful and productive way. Well-known leadership coaches and management consultants have defined what time management is very well. Brian Tracy says that time management requires discipline and intentionality. His quote is, "Time management is not a peripheral activity or skill. It is the core skill upon which everything else in life depends." Peter Drucker said, "Until we manage time, we manage nothing." Unplanned, in-the-moment decision-making most often kills productivity and is a complete waste of time. Leon Ho said, "If you lose money, you might be able to get a chance to make it back, but a wasted hour is irreplaceable." The process of ineffective use of time management can affect our lives immeasurably. It robs us of the control that we have. It stops us from getting things done the way we want them to. And it's a really, really important thing to pay attention to, particularly when our society today is the way it is. If we're not doing things that we need to do in order to control our lives, we cannot have the kinds of life we want to have. And so, how does poor time control clutter your mind specifically? Well, in a couple of ways. First of all, poor time control can distract you from being able to achieve your goals. If you're constantly putting out fires and living in the moment, dealing with things on the fly, you can't plan ahead and move ahead towards what you want in the future. That critical piece of knowing what's in the process of coming up robs you from the ability to actually live in the moment. Because unless you know what's coming, you can't be content with where you are now. Secondly, poor time management creates stress. Your productivity decreases. You're not getting things done that you need to do, and life is not going the way you want it to. Even your present is not meeting what you need it to be. And so implementing good time management skills is one of the ways that you can start moving towards taking control of your life, or taking more control of your life. If you have needs in these areas, it's something that I recommend that you continue watching this series of videos and even possibly joining us for the time management seminar that we're offering through Growth University. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share this with your friends. Let everyone know that there are ways that they can take control of their life. If you'd like more ideas on how you can take control of your life, visit us at www.growthunlimited.org and check out our free assessment, and also schedule a free conference with me to help plan your life the way you want to live it. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye now. Growth Unlimited's mission is to help you have your life your way. We want to help you take control of your life so that you live the life you've dreamed of, that you deserve. We have a proprietary program that helps you do just that. Check us out by visiting our website and take our free assessment to see how we can help you.